In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Twitter/X display color and dark mode. So first you need to go to your Twitter account, click on your profile at the top left, click settings and privacy. Over here click on accessibility display and then click on display, and here is where you go to dark mode. So to enable it, just click dark mode. To disable it, you can click off, and this is the lights. So if you want it to be too dark or no dark, like this makes it dimmer. So in order to change the color of the display, this option does not exist in the app, so you have to go to the Google. So if you go here to Chrome and open your Twitter account on Chrome and click the same settings, go to settings and privacy and accessibility and display and then go to display. Here you will see the colors, so you can change the colors like this, and you can also change the font size. And that's it for this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.